Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install this amazing graphics mod for Assassin's Creed. To do that, I'm going to double click here and I'm gonna wait. My PC is slow because I'm exporting a video, but yeah, here we are. Go press next, press agree. Here are some stuff, and then browse. You're going to go choose your game folder here, press OK, press next, press install, and it should install. Now a lot of you have stuttering issue on this game, and there's a trick to fixing it. You just have to go to my channel and you'll see the latest video here, and you got it. Here it is. Now once it's installed, I'm going to show you something. So once it's installed, press finish and you will have Assassin's Creed AC1 model launcher. Okay, there it is. This is the one. You can run it and it's gonna run with the mod, but you can do it manually by going here and open it by this, or you can use text mod, which is here. I did use the silent textbook loader, so shout out to that. You could however do it manually, but if you want to do it without any hassle, just do it from this exe. Goodbye.